Imagine spending years taking calcium supplements, hoping your knees would feel stronger, your joints would move more comfortably, and your legs would stop feeling tired and swollen by the end of the day, only to discover that calcium was never addressing the real problem in the first place. That may sound surprising, but it explains why so many adults over 60 continue struggling with stiff joints, weak legs, tendon discomfort, and swelling even when they are faithfully taking calcium every single day. You see, calcium is incredibly important for maintaining bone strength, but bones are only one piece of the puzzle. What actually holds your joints together, cushions movement, supports your tendons, strengthens your blood vessels, and helps your legs stay firm and functional is something entirely different. It is collagen. And here's the concern. After the age of 60, your body's natural collagen production begins to decline at a much faster rate. Year after year, that gap grows larger. As collagen levels fall, many people begin noticing symptoms they often assume are simply part of getting older. Their knees become stiffer, their ankles swell more easily, their legs feel heavier after walking, their joints lose flexibility, their recovery becomes slower. The good news is that certain foods can help support collagen production naturally. Today, I want to walk you through 8 remarkable foods that may help support healthier joints, stronger connective tissues, improve circulation, and better leg function as you age. More importantly, I will explain exactly why they work and the best ways to include them in your daily routine. Let's begin with number 8. Number 8. Citrus fruits and bell peppers. Most people think of oranges, lemons, and bell peppers as simple sources of vitamin C. While that is certainly true, what many people do not realize is that vitamin C plays one of the most critical roles in collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot properly manufacture collagen, no matter how much protein or other nutrients you consume. Think of collagen as a structure being built from thousands of tiny building blocks called amino acids. Those amino acids must be connected together in a very specific way. The process requires specialized enzymes, and those enzymes cannot function correctly without vitamin C. In other words, vitamin C is like the tool that assembles all the materials into a finished product. When vitamin C levels are low, your body may have the ingredients needed to create collagen, but it struggles to put everything together efficiently. Unfortunately, this becomes increasingly important after age 60. As we get older, our ability to absorb vitamin C can decline. At the same time, our bodies often use more of it because they are constantly dealing with low-grade inflammation associated with aging. The result is a double challenge. Less vitamin C comes in, while more vitamin C is being used. Over time, that may contribute to reduced collagen production, which can affect your joints, tendons, skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues throughout your legs. If your joints feel especially stiff in the morning or your legs seem unusually tired by afternoon, inadequate collagen support could be playing a larger role than you realize. The wonderful thing is that this is one of the easiest issues to address. Red and yellow bell peppers are among the richest vitamin C foods available, often containing even more vitamin C than oranges. A simple serving of fresh bell pepper in a salad or half of a pepper with a meal can make a meaningful difference. A medium orange is another excellent choice. Because vitamin C is sensitive to heat, eating these foods raw whenever possible allows you to obtain the greatest benefit. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide benefits that go far beyond their vitamin C content. These colorful fruits contain powerful plant compounds known as proanthocyanidins. While the name may sound complicated, what these compounds do is actually quite fascinating. Research suggests that proanthocyanidins can help support collagen fibers by protecting them from damage and helping maintain their structural integrity. As collagen naturally weakens with age, connective tissues may lose strength and flexibility. This contributes to joints feeling less cushioned and legs feeling less stable. The compounds found in berries help support the collagen you already have while your body works to create new collagen. That is an important distinction. Many foods help stimulate collagen production. Berries not only support production, but may also help preserve existing collagen structures. Even more importantly for adults over 60, these compounds appear to support the health of blood vessels. Blood vessel walls rely heavily on collagen to maintain strength and elasticity. When those structures weaken, circulation can become less efficient. You may notice swelling around the ankles. Your legs may feel heavier late in the day. Fluid may seem to collect in the lower legs more easily. Healthy collagen helps blood vessels maintain their structure and supports proper fluid movement throughout the body. That is one reason berries are often associated with better vascular health. If you regularly experience ankle puffiness by evening or swelling after standing for long periods, supporting blood vessel collagen may be particularly beneficial. Fortunately, adding berries to your diet is simple. A generous handful each day is a great target. Variety is especially helpful because different berries provide slightly different protective compounds. Rotating between blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries can provide broader nutritional support. And if fresh berries are unavailable or expensive, frozen berries are an excellent alternative and offer many of the same benefits. Now let's continue with a food that has been supporting joints for generations but is often overlooked today. Number 6. Gelatin. Many people remember gelatin primarily as a dessert ingredient, but for collagen support, it deserves far more attention than it receives. What makes gelatin unique is that it provides collagen building blocks directly. Unlike many foods that simply help your body manufacture collagen, gelatin actually supplies amino acids that are already closely related to the collagen structure itself. Gelatin is produced when collagen-rich animal connective tissues are slowly cooked. During this process, collagen breaks down into gelatin, creating a form that is easier for the body to utilize. When you consume gelatin, you provide your body with important amino acids, such as glycine and proline. These amino acids serve as key components in the formation of collagen throughout the body. Your joints, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and connective tissues all rely heavily on these building blocks. Research has shown that regular gelatin consumption may support joint comfort, mobility, and collagen production markers over time. Interestingly, these benefits appear especially meaningful in older adults, whose collagen production naturally slows with age. Another advantage of gelatin is its digestibility. As we age, the digestive process often becomes less efficient. Gelatin is already partially broken down, making it easier for many older adults to absorb and utilize compared to some other protein sources. Adding gelatin to your routine can be remarkably easy. Unflavored gelatin powder can be dissolved into warm beverages, mixed into soups, incorporated into stews, or added to other foods without significantly changing their taste. A simple tablespoon each day may provide valuable support for collagen production and connective tissue health. And the next food on our list may be one of the most surprising of all. Number 5. Bone marrow. For many people, bone marrow is a food they have not thought about in years. Yet from a nutritional perspective, it contains a unique combination of compounds that can be especially valuable for aging joints and legs. Bone marrow naturally contains nutrients that support the production and maintenance of multiple forms of collagen. Type 1 collagen contributes to the strength of tendons, skin, and connective tissues. Type 2 collagen plays a major role in joint cushioning and cartilage support. Bone marrow provides nutrients associated with both, making it particularly interesting for individuals experiencing joint stiffness alongside declining leg strength. In addition, bone marrow contains compounds that support tissue repair and regeneration throughout the body. Some studies have observed improvements in flexibility, mobility, and localized swelling among older adults who regularly consumed marrow-rich broths. For those dealing with increasing knee stiffness, hip discomfort, or reduced mobility, the nutrients found in bone marrow may provide valuable support for the tissues responsible for cushioning and smooth movement. Marrow bones are generally affordable and can be obtained from many local butchers. Roasting them until the marrow softens allows it to be spread onto toast, added to soups, or incorporated into various recipes. While results do not happen overnight, consistent consumption may contribute to healthier joints and stronger connective tissues over time. Number 4. Sardines. If there is one food on this list that deserves far more attention than it receives, it is sardines. Many people overlook sardines because they associate them with convenience foods or old-fashioned meals. But when it comes to supporting circulation, connective tissues, and leg health after 60, sardines offer a combination of nutrients that is surprisingly difficult to find elsewhere. What makes sardines especially valuable is the fact that they are typically eaten whole, including the skin and the small edible bones. That matters because those parts contain important forms of collagen, particularly type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen plays a critical role in maintaining the strength and elasticity of blood vessels. As we age, blood vessels naturally lose some of their flexibility and structural integrity. When that happens, circulation may become less efficient, especially in the legs where blood must work against gravity to return to the heart. Many older adults notice the effects gradually. Their ankles become swollen by evening, their calves feel heavy after standing, their legs tire more quickly during activities that once felt easy. While there are many factors involved, weakening connective tissues within blood vessel walls can certainly contribute. The collagen found in sardines helps support those structures. At the same time, sardines provide protein, minerals, and healthy fats that work together to support overall cardiovascular function. Some research has observed improvements in circulation and reductions in lower leg swelling among older adults who regularly consumed sardines as part of a balanced diet. And while omega-3 fatty acids often receive most of the attention, the collagen-rich skin and bones may be contributing benefits of their own. For best results, choose sardines packed in olive oil whenever possible. Enjoy them on whole grain toast, add them to salads, or incorporate them into simple pasta dishes. 2 to 3 servings each week can be an excellent addition to a collagen-supportive eating plan. Now let's move to a food that many people already know is healthy, but may not realize how important it is for preserving collagen. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon has earned a reputation as one of the healthiest foods available, and for good reason. But when it comes to collagen support, salmon offers benefits that go beyond what most people realize. The first advantage comes from the skin. Salmon skin naturally contains type 1 collagen, one of the primary forms of collagen found throughout the body. When you eat salmon with the skin intact, you are providing your body with nutrients that support tendons, ligaments, connective tissues, and the structural framework of joints. The second advantage is equally important. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate inflammation. Why does that matter for collagen? Because chronic inflammation is one of collagen's greatest enemies. Every day, low-grade inflammation contributes to the gradual breakdown of collagen fibers throughout the body. Over time, this process can accelerate joint stiffness, reduce flexibility, and weaken connective tissues. Many adults focus entirely on building more collagen while overlooking the fact that they may also need to slow the breakdown of the collagen they already have. Salmon helps address both sides of that equation. It provides collagen-supporting nutrients while simultaneously helping manage inflammation. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, the powerful antioxidant responsible for its distinctive pink color. Astaxanthin helps protect collagen fibers from oxidative stress, which can gradually damage connective tissues over time. Think of it as helping preserve the quality and durability of the collagen your body already possesses. If your joints seem to be aging faster than expected, or your legs no longer feel as strong and resilient as they once did, inflammation-driven collagen loss may be playing a larger role than you realize. Including salmon in your meals 2 or 3 times per week can provide meaningful support. Whenever possible, keep the skin on and choose baking, grilling, or roasting instead of deep frying. Pairing salmon with vitamin C-rich vegetables such as bell peppers, tomatoes, or leafy greens can further support collagen synthesis. Now we arrive at one of the most complete collagen-supporting foods available. Number 2. Bone broth. Long before collagen powders became popular, people were consuming bone broth as a traditional healing food. Today, modern science is helping explain why this simple food has remained valued across generations. When bones, cartilage, tendons, and connective tissues are simmered slowly for many hours, valuable compounds are released into the broth. The result is a nutrient-rich liquid containing multiple forms of collagen, gelatin, amino acids, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. What makes bone broth so impressive is that it does not provide only one collagen-supporting nutrient. It delivers a broad spectrum of compounds that work together. These nutrients help support cartilage, connective tissues, blood vessels, skin, tendons, and joints simultaneously. In many ways, bone broth functions as a complete package rather than focusing on a single pathway. Research involving older adults has observed improvements in mobility, joint comfort, physical activity levels, and markers associated with collagen production after regular bone broth consumption. Many people also report fewer muscle cramps, less stiffness, and improved comfort when moving throughout the day. If your knees make clicking sounds when you stand, your hips feel less cushioned than they once did, or your legs tend to cramp during the night, the compounds found in bone broth may help support the structures involved. 1 cup per day is a simple goal. You can drink it by itself, use it as a base for soups, or incorporate it into stews and recipes. Homemade versions prepared by simmering bones for 12 hours or longer often contain the highest levels of collagen-supporting compounds. If purchasing a prepared version, a helpful clue is whether the broth becomes gelatinous when refrigerated. That natural gelling indicates a higher concentration of collagen and gelatin. And now we come to the number 1 food on this list. Number 1. Egg yolks. Of all the foods we have discussed today, this may be the one that surprises people the most. Not because it is rare, not because it is expensive, but because it is probably already sitting in your refrigerator right now. For years, many people were told to avoid egg yolks or throw them away because of concerns about cholesterol. As a result, countless individuals discarded the very part of the egg that contains some of its most valuable nutrients. Egg yolks provide glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that form the foundation of collagen production. Without adequate amounts of these amino acids, your body cannot efficiently build new collagen regardless of how many supplements you purchase. Research involving older adults has found that regular consumption of whole eggs was associated with higher levels of circulating collagen-related compounds and improvements in common complaints such as morning stiffness and lower leg swelling. Egg yolks also contain sulfur. This mineral plays an important role in collagen cross-linking, the process that gives collagen its strength, resilience, and durability. Without sufficient sulfur, collagen structures may become weaker and less effective over time. This becomes increasingly important after age 60 because collagen production naturally slows. Your body becomes less efficient at manufacturing and maintaining connective tissues. Providing highly bioavailable nutrients becomes even more valuable. Egg yolks do exactly that. They deliver collagen-supporting amino acids in a form that aging digestive systems can typically absorb and utilize effectively. For maximum benefit, consider preparing eggs using gentler cooking methods, such as poaching or soft boiling. Very high heat can alter some of the delicate nutrients found in the yolk. 2 whole eggs several times per week can make a meaningful contribution to your collagen-supportive nutrition plan. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods such as tomatoes, bell peppers, citrus fruits, or spinach to support collagen synthesis even further. If you have been discarding the yolk because of outdated fears, it may be time to reconsider. The yolk contains the majority of the nutrients that make eggs such a powerful food for healthy aging. And sometimes the most effective solutions are not hidden in expensive supplements or complicated health programs. Sometimes they are already sitting in your kitchen waiting to be used. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 8 foods surprised you the most? Have you already been eating any of them regularly? And if so, have you noticed any difference in your joints, circulation, flexibility, or leg strength? Share your experience in the comments below because your story may help someone else who is facing the same challenges. And if you found today's information helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future health insights designed specifically for adults over 60. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.